We are back with another episode, ladies and gentlemen. On today's episode, we're going to be doing the front bumper because we ran out of time last week. I just want to say a massive thank you, because the people that don't know, I've just hit partner with YouTube and I cannot be any more happier. Like, this is what we've been trying to achieve this whole entire time, and it's starting to all become real now. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone out there that watches my videos, likes my videos, is subscribed and comments on the videos, because all of that helps my channel out massively. So without you lot watching these videos, this would not be possible. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone out there. We have big things coming on the channel, like in the future. Like, this is one step closer to doing my dream, which is this full time. If I can do this full time, then that means, hang on, I'm watching a truck reverse and he's absolutely shite at it. If I can do this full time, that means more time to do videos, get video, like, it's just a dream. Like, I can do so much more on my channel, like crazy projects with race cars or anything, just like silly builds, crazy stuff. Like, that's what I want to do with this channel in the future. But obviously, step by step we're getting there, and it's starting to become reality now. So I'm so grateful for everyone out there that loves watching my stuff. Like, it means a lot. Obviously, on this episode we are doing the front bumper. The microphones were playing up. I don't know what happened, but the audio and stuff went on, I think it's most of the video. So I think it's going to be quite a short video. There is probably going to be a lot of voiceovers, and I'm just going to be explaining how to make the front bumper, what we got up to, all that sort of malarkey. It's a shame because there was quite a lot that happened, but next week we've got the problem sorted. We will be back on track. We'll be smashing it. Plus, we only done the Saturday because we had stuff going on the Sunday, like family stuff, so we only had the one day to do the bumper, really. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Got that? Do you want that?
I said no. I said no. I don't want a drink.
You need to relax.
Fuck off.
That's cute. I remember when I had my first beer.
Corona. You might try and get it all finished today, because what I was thinking was, what we could do is just run a bit of that up, and then instead of trying to bend it to come over where it'll kink, what I'd do is I'd notch that so that the tubbing sits in the notch, yeah? And then all you're doing is just having that angle where you won't get it as kinked.
Just do it a straight angle. So we'll just chop it at like a 45.
Nah, have a bit of a curve going on it.
So now we've made the bracket for the front bumper. We're just making the first two support arms that come off the bracket, which will attach to the bumper. And this is the easiest way to do it if you don't have a jig, because you just marry the front bumper up to it, spot weld it, and then you can work off that and add your support bars. In order to get this right, you need to obviously have the car on the ground, so you can get the correct reading from the ground to the center of the bumper, because it needs to be a specific height within the rules. So what we're doing here is we're just eyeing each side to make sure it's fine, then we'll tack weld it into place, step back, have another look, make sure we're happy with it, and then weld it up. Weld some more support arms on, and then my dad's gonna start the hook. So all he's doing here is lining it, notching it. Once he's happy with it, he'll bang it off and he'll notch both ends so the hooks can line up perfectly like that. Quick tip for you, when you're welding, if you don't want to end up like that, have all them burn marks, make sure you get yourself some proper welding gloves that actually do go up. Because when I was welding, went down my hoodie and it burnt me, and now it hurts like a bitch. I've got another one on the other arm as well, so bear that in mind, people. You don't have the right equipment, you're probably going to get burnt, but little bastard got me. But yeah, make sure you wear the correct PPE if you're a gimp. No, it's not if you're a gimp, it's having common sense, which I clearly ain't got a lot of.
That's an interesting way of putting. That makes sense.
And one day it probably will catch up with me, but until then, I'm going to keep doing it. Let's get back to the video. Once Dad had done both hoops, I welded them all up, and for the holes on the end we put washers on, welded them up, which we then grinded down to make it look nice and clean. Now everything's welded up, the only thing left to weld is the bottom hoop, which sits in the centre of the bumper. So we're trying to make one here, which we later just snap off because we don't like it. So we're going to make a new one. That's all on today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a short one, but like I said, the microphones were playing up. But if you have learned anything, or you think I've done something wrong or anything like that, leave a comment, leave a like, helps the channel out. Subscribe, because we've got some big things coming up, and if you ain't subscribed, you might not win them. So make sure you're subscribed. Like I said, next week's episode will be a lot better. We'll be back. I'll be winding my dad up. We'll be mischief, all that lot. So stay tuned. I'll see you next week.